Hi, this is Brandy Shampoo with Exploring Expression,
And Samantha Shampoo, also with Exploring Expression.
and welcome to another Product Spotlight. This is a series where we share some of our favorite games and other assorted products with you and tell you how to use them and why we like them.
And before we get into today's product, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share this video if you enjoy it.
And I just want to make a point to say that these are our honest opinions. As of yet, we have purchased all of these products, although if anyone would like to send us their product, we would be happy to give it an honest review. But today's product we did purchase and we have used, and it's one of my favorites. We absolutely love it. It's called the Original Fraction Dominoes. The Original Fraction Dominoes, and we love playing dominoes.
Yes. Especially the boys.
Yeah, we have a lot of different types of dominoes, and the youngest boy, Daniel, is working on fractions, and we even work on some still with Josh, different aspects of fractions. And because we love game schooling, we couldn't help but try out this Fraction Dominoes set.
Yes.
So one of the things I like is it's small. We also do a lot of traveling, and this is one of those games
that you can take on the road as long as where you're going has a table.
True. It does need a big table, as any dominoes game does. So one of the things different is it starts with this little
Centerpiece.
And this is how the game starts. And there's different variations. The way we play is the equivalent fractions type.
There are also equal fractions, 5/6 to 5/6, or sums of 1. So the fractions have to equal 1. But we do equivalent fractions because those can be a little bit more difficult.
Right. And so these are the tiles, and it comes with a ton of tiles. Like a ton. So what you do is you deal out each person. I don't remember how many exactly each person got. But you deal out each person a certain amount of tiles that kind of look like this. And it looks like a domino tile, except on one side it's got a fraction in number form, and on the other side it has a pictorial representation. Now these are obviously not the same fraction, because just like dominoes, one number is different from the other. And so what you want to do is, here, hold that up so you can see it. You take your little thing and then you find a equivalent fraction. I'm trying to find one just off the cuff here.
Right here. Oh, it's upside down. There's 2 out of 4, which is 1/2, and this pictorial representation is 3/6. So they would be equivalent, and so we would put it right there.
Right.
More or less.
And you can use it to take a score similar to dominoes, but it doesn't exactly work like that. Dominoes, you want to get like 5, 10, 15 type of stuff. This isn't really how that works.
Yes, the winner is the player that is the player forming the longest train.
Right.
So the longer your little arm goes, the better your chances of winning.
Right. Our goal is to run out of chips. So when the first person runs out of chips, because if you don't have one, then you have to draw more. And whoever runs out first, then they win. And then the other people count how many tiles they still have. And that becomes a score, and the lowest score wins. So that's how we play this one. We absolutely love it. We play it a lot. We play a lot of games a lot, but this is a great one. If you have Pizza Fraction, and if memory serves, I think I did a product spotlight on Pizza Fraction not long ago. You can combine the Pizza Fraction game with this Fraction Dominoes and really have a fantastic review and unit on mathematics and on fractions just with those two games. So that's that. Do you have any comments about Fraction Dominoes? This is a short one because this is a short, easy game. It's very straightforward, but the tiles are high quality, and we played it many times, and there's still nothing's gotten broken, nothing's gotten torn. It's still just as in the same sort of shape as it was when we bought it. And
It's a more simplistic version of dominoes
yes.
as in terms of gameplay, because there's no 5, 10s, 15s. There's certain rules. There aren't that many certain rules. You can only directly.
It's either equivalent or it's not.
Yeah. And you can't do that thing with the dominoes where it's like this. You can't do that. None of that. Just. But it's a great way of learning fractions, and numbers in general.
So it's called Fraction Dominoes. This is by Learning Advantage. We got it from the Learning Advantage website. I'm sure you could probably find it on Amazon, but maybe. However, it's definitely worth getting, especially it says for grades 3 to 7, and anyone who's working on making fractions, adding fractions, equivalent fractions, any sort of those type of stuff, this is the game for you. So that was Product Spotlight. If you have a product you think we should review, go ahead and list it in the comments or just send us a note, and we would be glad to try it out, play it, use it, experience it, and then talk about it. And until next time, we'll see you later.